guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna see a festive look right here with a nice eyeshadow, a nice neutral lip and a glowy dewy base. So if you want to see how we achieved this look, keep on watching. First things first is I'm gonna clip my hair back. I have nothing on my face, not even a moisturizer. I'm just out of the shower. So now we are gonna prep my skin first. So before anything else, I am gonna go with a toner. What I use is I use rose water, and this is from Wishcare. I'm gonna let this sit for a while, and onto this I'm gonna apply a moisturizer, a good moisturizer, because my skin is very problematic and I am acne prone, as you can see. I'm using Hyphen का barrier repair cream, and जब मैं makeup लगाती हूँ my skin tends to become more drier, so I don't want that. So I'm gonna go all ham with the moisturizer. Like, make sure to apply your moisturizer on damp skin, because then hydration level बहुत अच्छा होता है and your skin is moisturized pretty well because it gets the water content it needs. I'm gonna let this stay for a while, and I'm a little extra when it comes to moisturizer. I am a dry skin type girl and I like to apply two moisturizers whenever I apply makeup. The barrier repair cream was specifically a part of my skincare routine, but then I apply another moisturizer which caters well with my makeup, like my foundation, all my base products. The next moisturizer that I will be using is the Miracle Pro Cream. Now everything is well moisturized, everything is well prepped. Now we will move on to the base product. So whenever you apply makeup and you want your makeup to last longer, make sure you incorporate a primer into your makeup. If you have a lot of pores, then you can use a pore filling primer. You know, for every skin concern, lately we have a lot of primers. So whichever suits you guys, whichever suits your skin type, whichever suits your skin issues, you can use that one. So for me today, I'm gonna be using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. See, primer has to be used in the right quantity and in the right way. If you do not use it in the right way, your makeup is going to separate, and you know, whenever you apply makeup, your primer is going to ball up. So to avoid that, do not rub and drag your primer. That is you are just defeating the purpose of applying the primer. उससे अच्छा primer लगाओ ही मत. Primer is basically just filling out your pores and evening out your skin. Give that product time to settle. If you don't do that, the product is not going to do its job well. My skin is well primed and everything, so now I want to add a little bit of glow onto my face that is dull and dead. So for that, I'm gonna be using my favorite product. Dude, this is the best innovation in makeup. Like, I don't know what it is. This is the Charlotte Tilbury's, what is it? The name has rubbed off. I don't even know what it is. What was it called? Flawless filter? Hollywood filter? I love to look like a disco ball wherever I am. I want to glow, like always. Even if I look like a grease ball, I am fine. But I want to radiate glow everywhere I go. In the festive season, किसको glow नहीं करना है यार? लगना चाहिए ना कि दिवाली के lights से ज़्यादा चमक रही हूँ मैं. If you do not have skin that has a lot of problems and you are blessed with good skin, then you do not need a foundation as well. You can just throw this on and you are good to go. You will radiate like a goddess, and I'm not kidding. Look at that glow. Why do I need Diwali lights when I am there? For people who really have pigmentation or dark spots on their face due to acne or any other hyperpigmentation that they deal with, you can go ahead and use a color corrector. It's okay if few of your scars peek in. It's like, fine dude, I'm a human, I'm gonna have acne. I do have a lot of acne spots because I suffer with hormonal acne. All acne is hormonal, but I suffered with cystic huge acne. I was going through a phase where my acne was so bad. The acne just it just shatters your confidence, and it is like you cannot do anything. And you know, when you have cystic acne, you can't even hide it, because it's if this is your skin, it is like this. It is like a huge bump. Pimple itself is a bump, but cystic acne, it is under your skin, and that is, you can't hide it with anything. You can't. And it is red, huge pimple. Oh my god. And whenever I used to meet people, whenever I had acne on my face and I used to meet people, and if they are looking at my face, I would always think at the back of my mind, I used to not listen a shit, मैं कुछ नहीं सुन पाती थी. I used to always think at the back of my mind कि ये इंसान is looking at my acne and totally judging me, and he's just looking at my acne. He's not looking to me or trying to talk to me. And that never used to be the case. He or she, whoever it is, they used to talk to me, but my mind was processing it in a way that I used to think ki this person is looking at my acne. And that used to just make me so nervous, and I used to never look at the people who I'm talking to. I used to always look here and there. I used to just not concentrate. I used to avoid eye contact. Now I think I'm at a better place, and you just move on in life with your acne journey, and acne journey is never ending. If I am stressed, my body is going to show it on my face. See, now I'm not stressed, so I do not have any active acne. I do have post-inflammatory marks here. That's it. Now I am going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. Super lightweight, and it gives you an airbrushed look. Can you see the blurring effect? Oh my god, it's unreal. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and pick up the excess foundation concealer to conceal my dark circles, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I'm gonna be using a brush. This is the Pro Art AK64. Sounds like a gun name, but it is not. Before setting my concealer with the powder, I would like to go on with a blush. Are you even a girl if you do not like a blush? Blend the blush. I know this is pigmented, but I like a nice blushy kind of look. Aha, maza aa gaya. You know, when you apply blush tends to fade away throughout the day. So whenever you're getting ready, make sure to apply a little bit more any which way, so that, you know, during the day it just settles down and you still have a little bit of blush in the end of the day. The glow, look at the shine, dude. It's chef's kiss. Now my base is done, but I do want to add a little bit of bronzer because I look a little flat. I do have blush, but still I need to add a little bit of dimension to my face. So I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. putty bronzer. I'll be using this kind of an angled but chubby brush. Add it right below my blush, and I want it to be cohesive with my blush. I do not want it to look like blush, highlighter. No, I don't like that. I want it to be blended in well with my blush. I'm gonna set my under eyes and my eyelid. So we'll be using the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Pro 6 shadows, and I'll be using this one to just as my crease shadow. I'm not gonna go all ham with the eyeshadow. It looks good, dude. I'm gonna be using a liquid eyeshadow. This is the one from Mars. It has a shimmer reflex to it. And I'm gonna add it in the cut crease fashion so that I get a nice duochrome effect from this liquid eyeshadow, and I get both the golden and the pink reflex. A black kajal now to just line my upper lash line. It is okay if it is not very precise because we are gonna blend it any which ways. I'm gonna take a very flat kind of a brush, this one, and just blend it. It just this is just to soften the line and not keep it as harsh as it was previously. Brush which is much more precise, like this one is the smaller one, and just go ahead with a pink. Go ahead with a kajal and apply it. You know, whenever I apply kajal, I think I look much more prettier. Now my eyeshadow is pretty much done. Now I'm gonna move in with the mascara. Down and wiggle. Ignore my mascara face. I'm back doing my eyeshadow, and I think the eyeshadow looks pretty good. Like, I would not expect myself to do this kind of a look. My eyeshadow looks great, everything looks nice, my base looks good. Now the only thing that is left is my lipstick. For the lipstick, I definitely need something that, you know, stays on for longer time, and the lipstick from L'Oreal, and this one stays put, like it does not move at all. But to tone down the color of this lipstick, I am gonna go with a very pink nude color, and this is from Revlon. Now I'm pretty much done with my whole look, and this is the look that I came out with, and I think it looks pretty dang good. The base looks glowy, the eyeshadow looks cute, and overall I love it. And if you like this look, please like the video, share it with your friends, girlfriends, anybody, whoever you like and you wish them to see this video, and subscribe to my channel. And bye bye. Thank you for watching.